Applying for an Absa Bank loan can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To get started, you need to determine which type of loan you are eligible for and what you can afford to repay. Absa Bank offers various loan options including personal loans, home loans, and vehicle finance. First, gather all the necessary documents, including your identity document, proof of income, and proof of address. You will also need to provide details about your employment and financial history. Next, check your credit score to ensure you have a good credit record. A good credit score increases your chances of being approved for a loan. You can check your credit score for free on various online platforms. Now, visit the Absa Bank website or mobile app to fill out the loan application form. You can also visit your nearest Absa Bank branch for assistance. The application form will require you to provide personal and financial information, as well as details about the loan you are applying for. Once you have submitted your application, Absa Bank will review your credit profile and verify the information you provided. This may take a few days, depending on the type of loan you are applying for. If your application is approved, you will receive a loan offer outlining the terms and conditions of the loan, including the interest rate and repayment period. Review the loan offer carefully and ask questions if you are unsure about any of the terms. Before accepting the loan offer, make sure you understand the repayment terms and the total cost of the loan. It is essential to borrow only what you can afford to repay to avoid defaulting on the loan. Finally, sign and return the loan agreement to Absa Bank, and the loan amount will be disbursed into your account. Make sure to make timely repayments to avoid late payment fees and to maintain a good credit record. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before accepting it, and seek advice from a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan application process.